We have another special guest, don't we?
We do have another special guest. I say we get young Will in to show us his latest Gundam.
All right.
No, he's really hit the Gundam with gusto.
Gusto!
Not the
All right.
French.
Go, Mr. Will.
Not the French.
What do you got there?
Well, I got the new Master Grade SD Gundam. Last time I came on, I talked about how this is a new line.
Yes.
And today...
What do you got there? We're going to do an unboxing.
The finished product.
Oh, that's further than an unboxing.
Finished? I thought these were Japanese.
Same difference, is it not?
There we go. Wow. So what can you tell us about the new SD or the new MGSDs? So it's Master Grade.
It's a Master Grade SD Gundam. So
Okay.
it's got all of the features of a Master Grade Gundam.
Yep.
In the same scale and size of a SD Gundam.
So what is an SD?
SD is a deformed Gundam.
Deformed.
It's all the proportions of the Gundam is mixed up.
Right.
So it's smaller, larger heads, shorter legs, shorter torso.
Right.
Just a bit of comical size.
So it is a little bit bigger than a normal SD because that's a normal SD, right?
Yeah, that's a normal SD.
Right. Okay.
And it has a lot more poseability than a normal SD.
Okay.
Also-
What can it do? Show us what it can do.
Well, we can spread out the wings for one side.
So this is a Freedom Gundam.
This is a Freedom Gundam.
Freedom. This is a ZGMF
Oh wow, it looks huge after you do this.
X10A.
Spread out the wings, put them further apart.
That's like a peacock.
It's got full poseability with the torso, 3 bits of movement.
Right. So this has an inner frame.
Inner frame, yes.
Right. Okay.
And it's unique to the MG series, isn't it?
It is.
Yes.
Yeah. MGs and RGs. Oh, what are you folding out now?
It's got little
It's got an appendage.
thrusters and guns on the side.
Did you see that? It's caught me by surprise.
It's shocking.
These little bits fold up if you push this down.
All right.
Don't want to fold it off the action base.
Are you going to do some stop motion with this one?
Maybe we can try. Might be a bit hard.
It's got, what's this thing do?
That's its shield.
That's the shield.
That's the shield. It's got his gun. There was 2 other bits in there as well.
That's to protect itself from you, Brett. So everything comes in the box except for the stand. And the stand's easy enough to come by.
Stand is very easy. You can get basically almost any type of stand. They all come with universal connectors. I got the clear blue base stand 2.
Yep.
It recommends the base 5.
Yep.
But I just like the idea of a clear blue base stand with this Gundam.
Let me see if I can chuck
Why
it
do
under.
they have different numbers?
Oh, it's just the different ways the stand is set up for poseability.
Okay.
The further back it goes, the less options it has for how it looks.
Does he have decals?
It does. I have not placed the decals on yet.
What
I am
about the eyes?
planning to.
Are the eyes decals?
No, they are bits that came in the pack.
Oh, really? Because it looks 3-dimensional.
Yeah,
Looks like it's got like a clear over chrome
Yeah.
or something.
absolutely correct. I'm pretty sure does it show on the box? No, it doesn't. No, it's a like a black backing almost.
So that's a Freedom Gundam.
Yes.
Very good.
And then on the sidebar, on the side where these little bits thing have,
Yeah.
this folds out. Pop these out and attach its sword.
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 Where's the sword go?
Well, in the hands, of course. Has little
wasn't sure.
Are the hands posable?
hands are posable. Everything's posable.
Oh, really?
360 degrees of movement. And then that pops just right in there. There's a little slot for it to go in. There you go.
So he's got a beam sword, or what most people of the Star Wars generation would call a lightsaber. But these came out way before lightsabers came out.
Did they?
How cool is it?
Well,
And there's no paint involved here at all, is there?
No, I did not paint it all. I pretty much used just the 9 Steps premium side cutters,
Right.
which I did not bring in. And the 9 Steps premium knife.
Decent size.
Didn't sand it down. Oop.
Was that,
And
meant,
you've
was that
broken-
meant to happen?
I've
Nope.
done that.
Don't worry, I'm a professional. I'll fix that later. No one saw anything.
I've
No one
done-
saw anything. Don't
I've
worry.
done that, and I'm a complete amateur.
So what are these things? Well, they stay there.
Yeah, they're like guns.
Are they?
Yeah, and it's also got guns on the top as well,
Oh,
which is unfortunately very hard to fold out.
no one saw that either. I can see the amount of articulation in these, and I'm amazed at how much there is in this little thing here.
Yeah, I was amazed too. It was
It's not
my
what it is.
first master grade Gundam. I was amazed by all of the intricate detail it had with it.
And
And
you
then
can
this
bet
is-
that it fit together just amazingly. you know?
Oh, absolutely. Everything fit together. There was a few tricky steps, but other than that, it all came together beautifully.
The engineering on these Gundam kits is something else.
Oh,
No glue, no
Hmm,
filing, no.
no,
It's
that's
amazing.
right.
It is
They've-
really, really amazing.
they've got this down to a very fine art, haven't they?
yes, absolutely.
And that's why they're so popular.
Oh, so there's 2 degrees. There's multiple degrees of the foot
Yeah, you can.
articulation too.
Foot has the heel movement. It has the movement on the foot, and
Yep.
then the toes even move.
Right. Oh, so
And then this
you
can
can make it
move-
look like it's running.
Yeah, it's got posable knees. If I can get it, this comes all the way down. This
Yeah,
can
the
come all
last
the way
thing you want
down.
is a deviated patella.
And I am slowly disassembling it as we try and move it around.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. No, that's fine.
Well, we've lost
Well,
his
there you
base.
go.
He's now just a Gundam on a stick.
It's what we call a dicky knee.
GoPro stick, but for a Gundam.
There we go. That's pretty special, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So this is the latest series that Bandai have produced.
And
Yes.
this is the first one in the line.
First
Hmm.
one in the
And
line.
they've already announced the next one.
And it's my favorite.
Which one is it?
Barber toast?
Barber toast.
Barber
Barber
toast.
Barber toast.
There
Barber
we go.
toast.
There we go.
Barber goose.
Let me see if I can put this back together for you.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's going to be really cool.
Yeah.
So thank you, Will, for bringing that in. How long do you reckon it took to build?
In hours, it took me about probably 8 hours. So if I could get it done
So
probably
that's
in
like
a day.
a whole day's entertainment.
Yeah, I could have gotten it done in a day, but I spread it out over the course of 3 weeks,
Yeah, a little bit at a time.
a little bit at a time.
Yep.
Slowly taking it all in, putting it back together.
Yep, that's
Got it.
It's all in one piece.
Also comes with its gun, which can be placed on the back, like guard, I guess.
Yeah.
And that would just fit normally in the hand. Got a little slot on the gun to put it in the hand. And this also fits really nicely. This little bit right here just fits in the shoulder, so it stays very stable. And then this just goes in the hand.
Just got him doing some star jumps. Got to keep fit. There we go.
That's a worry.
That is Gundam.
That's a worry.
I'm not worried.
It was excellent to build.
I bet it was.
And
What's your next
Okay.
one?
next one, we'll see. We'll have to see.
Are you going to do an RG?
Maybe. I might focus on my wargaming for my
Hmm.
next project because I've got a.
We got some Cromlech things that'll go in that for sure.
Yeah,
Hmm.
absolutely. I'm thinking of upgrading a couple of my orcs,
Yeah, there you go.
making them space pirates instead of just regular orcs.
Space
Space
Pirate
Pirate Orcs. That rolls off the tongue. All right.
Thank
that was
you, Will.
good.
No problem.
Well done.
Thank
I'm
you
happy
for
to
coming
come in.
Good job.
Ooh, don't want to break it again.
It's all right. Easy to fix.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Will.
No problem.
Thanks, Will. See you later.